Today's we are going to learn how can you add the variation in your product. In previous lecture we learned how can we add a simple product, but today's we are going to add a new product, a variable product, using WooCommerce. Make sure this is the WooCommerce series and we are going to learn the WooCommerce. Okay, so you have your admin panel first of all, and you have your product area, and you have your add new button or link. Hit this add new link, then you have your product. So type your product name. For suppose I'm selling a t-shirt, so I'm saying this is the name of your product, my shirt. Okay, so here is your description. You can write your description here. Okay, so you can also choose a category, which is now it's not available. Create a category for suppose shirts. Okay, so add category, assign the category to your product. Go to your Google and download t-shirt, download image. Okay, so here is your image. For suppose you are selling the t-shirt, the same t-shirt in red, black, red and white. Okay, so download this. I'm saying black, and I'm saying this is red, and now I'm saying this is white. Okay, this is white. Okay, so now select your image, and we have downloaded few images. So select your images. For suppose red, we have downloaded red. So here is your black first of all, and where is the red? Here is the red, and where is the white? So here is your white. 3 images. We are uploading 3 images. Okay, select by default image. I'm selecting this black image, and also it's available in these colors. Okay, so now you have your t-shirts. For suppose I'm saying t-shirt, this is the tag. Okay, write your short description here about t-shirt here. Okay, now what you need, just need to select the variable product in this time. Okay, if you are managing your stock, hit this stock button and you can manage. First of all, go to your, if you are adding the shipping cost, you can also add the weight, dimensions and shipping class. Okay, you can link your product, don't worry about it. So go to your attribute sections and add attribute. So now for suppose color, and now add your colors. Red, for suppose red, make sure this line. Okay, this is the OR sign. Okay, this is the OR sign, single line. Okay, so now red, white, I'm selling this t-shirt in many colors. For suppose red, white and green. Okay, you can also check this checkbox, used for variations. Okay, for now save this attribute and publish your product. Now preview your changes. So now you have your t-shirt. So as you can see, you have your black color is by default, white, and this is the red color. Okay, you have 3 colors. You have black color here. You can also delete this. Now update, refresh. So you have your 3 colors. Awesome. Okay, this is the additional information, color red, green, blue. So now what you need, you just need to, because it's out of stock, now we have to add the price. So where you can add your price, so go to your variation section, attribute. So here is your color, check out this button, use for variation, save it. Okay, so now go to your variation section, select your variation. You can also create your variation. For suppose click your variation, or you can add your variations for your product. For suppose, create variation for all attributes. You have your attribute red, green, red, black and white. So create simple or one variation by choosing this add variations, and you can add your variations here. For suppose, if you are selling this red, for I'm saying any color. Now I'm saying I'm selling this t-shirt in $25. So you can also write your descriptions, weight, dimensions and sale price also. So save this button, preview changes. So now as you can see, you have your three colors, red, white and green. Okay, it's $25. All t-shirts are available in $25. Okay, so what you need, for suppose if you are selling this t-shirt in $25 and this white t-shirt in $30 and this red t-shirts in $35, so how can you do that? First of all, go to your variation section and now create your variation. Remove this first of all. Now create your variation for all attributes. Okay, so you have three variation, red, white, green. So open this and now add your regular price, $25. So you are selling the red in $25 for suppose, and you are selling the white in $30 and you are selling the green in $35. Okay, save the changes. You can also add your weight, dimensions and other things. So update your product, preview changes. So now as you can see, you have your from $25 to $35 your t-shirt. So choose your red color. So you are selling the red in $25. Choose white color, you are selling your white color in $30. Choose your green color, you are selling the t-shirt in $35 for suppose $35. So add to cart. So as you can see, this is $35. And now what you need, just need to check out. So where is the checkout? So here is the checkout. Provide your name and address. So you are selling the $35. Okay, so now go to your, for suppose I'm removing this, go to your shop. Now select option, I'm selling the white one, add to cart, checkout. So proceed to checkout and you are selling your white t-shirt in $30. Okay, you have your one color. For suppose this is the spec, you have your spec which is color, and you have three variations, red, white, green. For suppose if you are selling the iPhone with your capacity of for suppose internal storage or RAM, so how can you manage more than one variations? Okay, so now what you need, you just need to go to your all products. You have your iPhone 6s Plus, added this one. Now open this and you have your simple, this is your simple product. You have your iPhone 6s Plus. Now we are going to add the storage option and color and also RAM. For suppose go to your product, change the product type, and this time this is the variable product. Now okay, go to your attribute, add your attribute. I'm saying the color, for suppose gold. Make sure this is the OR sign. If you are adding two sign, this is OR. Okay, red, for suppose white, or black. So this is the first variation, red. Okay, save this. Now we are going to add another variations, which is another spec, which is capacity or drive, internal storage. I'm saying it comes 32 GB, 32 GB and 64 GB, and I'm saying 128 GB. Okay, so now I'm going to create variation for this internal storage. Go to your variation section, create your variation for all your attributes. 3 variations added. Okay, so I'm saying now select create variation for all your attributes. Select one, select, go. Okay, it's saying 3 variations added. Wait for a few seconds. Hit the OK button. So you have 3 variations, 32 GB, 64 GB and 128 GB. Now you can set your price here. You are selling 32 GB, I think in $300 for suppose, $300, and you are selling your 64 GB $400 for suppose, and you are selling the 128 GB $500. So $500. Okay, save changes, preview changes. So now as you can see, you have your internal storage 64 GB, 128 GB. You are selling 64 GB and 64. Okay, go to your 32 GB. I think I have added, so this is not a void, it's a price. Now save, refresh. So now you have 32 GB, 64 GB, 120, 32 GB. You have 32 GB. Okay, you have 64 GB and you have 128 GB in $500. Okay, so now what you need, you just need to go to your attribute, colors, and create the variations. Save this variation. So as you can see, you have your variations. Go to your changes preview. So now as you can see, you have your 2 specs, color, internal storage. Select your color, and I'm selecting the 128 GB, so it's in 500. Add to cart. So as you can see, you have your $300 and the color is gold. Now I'm saying checkout, proceed to checkout. Where is the checkout? View cart. Okay, it's working fine. So as you can see, now you have your iPhone 6s Plus. The color is gold. The storage is 128 GB. You have selected. Okay, so now I'm going to buy iPhone black color for suppose and 64 GB. So add to cart. So here is your black color, iPhone 6s Plus, color black, view cart. So this is your cart, proceed to checkout. So now as you can see, you have your color black and So in this way you can create your variations using product. And I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics related with WooCommerce. So thank you for watching.